Hello, welcome to the BOSJOB channel. Since BOSJOB invented the WRC series water cooler in 1995, this innovative water cooler design has been sold for many years and adopted by many internationally renowned welding machine companies. Over the years, we have accumulated a wealth of design experience and provided various after-sales services. The WRC series water cooler can be considered a classic in the history of welding. It is also a classic among BOSJOB companies' water cooler products. As a result, there are many imitators in the current market. They copy everything from the appearance to the structure and even the product names. However, we are well aware that this classic design also has its flaws, and we must keep up with the times and make comprehensive improvements. Now, it's time for a change of era. This is a traditional centrifugal pump consisting of two independent core components, the motor and the pump head. They are connected by a shaft because water flows in and out inside the pump head. To prevent water from entering the motor, a mechanical water seal is necessary to stop water from leaking. This water seal structure must ensure that the water inside the pump head does not overflow, even when the shaft is rotating at high speed. To achieve this, the moving and stationary rings of the water seal are also pressed tightly together, which means that the shaft needs to overcome significant resistance when starting or running continuously. It's like stepping on both the accelerator and the brake at the same time while driving. This particular design requires a motor that is quite large, significantly heavy, and consequently consumes a substantial amount of electrical power. There is also the persistent issue of potential leakage between the moving and stationary rings of the water seal mechanism. If it is not used for a long time, it may stick and become difficult to start. In addition, when the pump head is not filled with water, traditional centrifugal pumps also have the problem of difficult exhaust. The high requirements for processing accuracy and operating clearance also make the noise during operation particularly loud. During operation, metal powder is also ground out, which is not conducive to the use of induction heating equipment. To solve these long-standing problems, BOSJOB has independently invested in R&D and production and has finally developed the second-generation pump. This is a patented, innovative DC brushless variable frequency centrifugal pump. The motor, rotor, and water pump are sealed in the same chamber, eliminating the need for traditional mechanical water seals for dynamic sealing. Only the sealing ring needs to be statically sealed with the pump cover. This fundamentally solves the problems of traditional centrifugal pumps, such as water seal leakage, difficulty in starting, and high power consumption. The innovative structure of this invention also brings the following advantages. First, the unique design allows the pump body to easily expel air, effectively avoiding the problem of running dry without water output. Second, both the temperature and vibration of the water pump during operation are lower than those of traditional centrifugal pumps or standard DC brushless pumps on the market, which ensures a longer service life for the GEN2 pump. Third, the patented connector design makes the water flow arrangement of the pump more flexible. The water inlet pipe can accommodate installation with various diameters and angles, which makes designing the water tank structure more convenient. The BOSJOB GEN2 pump is custom-made for welding water coolers. Because it delivers superior performance in both water flow and water pressure, whether compared to the first-generation pump or other competitors on the market. For example, if we use different water pumps on the same model of water cooler and water-cooled torch to test the performance of each pump, the results show that the return flow rate of the BOSJOB GEN2 pump surpasses the others. We will soon launch a full range of water coolers equipped with the BOSJOB GEN2 pump. The new water cooler will be more compact, more durable, and more energy efficient, while also being more competitively priced, all without compromising its high performance. Thank you for watching. Follow the BOSJOB channel for more innovations and developments.